Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin ParkTech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use the specific function for mean within the Python. The compiler we are using is the pycharm compiler. Although we know that mean and average are the same thing, like we need to add all the values and then we have to divide the sum of all the values on the number of all the values. But as it is a lengthy process, so we have a simple function of mean inside our numpy library. So first we will import our numpy library. So it is numpy library, and then we need to define our array, that is our numpy array. So it is we can say it is 12, 23, 45, 66, 81 and 73 and 100. Okay, so these are the values within this array. Now how we can take the mean? We can go for like any variable. We will write var underscore mean. It is just a variable. You can write anything instead of this var mean. Okay, it is just written in order to store some value in it. Okay, so we will write numpy dot mean of array, and then we will write print of var underscore mean, and then we will get our result on what's called as the console. So you can see that our console has displayed the value of our mean. So in this way we can just by using all this simple mean function we got our mean value for this array. So hopefully you got the concept regarding how to find the mean of a array within the Python. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.